Yo, what's again, guys? We're back on Grow a Garden. So, so you see here, uh, we last time we played this Grow a Garden. I forgot to vlog when I did though. So please, subscribe into the channel. So we're back on Grow a Garden. So um wait, alright, back guys. So if you did remember this, I just got a capybara and so many people slapping my capybara. So respect. Yo, I'm in the vlog right now. So if you see here, mm, uh, I mean, when you see my garden, you will see a apple, cactus, and then pepper, and then large tomato, and then oh my god, this again. I just got a big mango. So 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 let's go here. Let's try to find a guys. Like and subscribe if you want to get this. And 3, 2, 1. I will give it to you guys if you comment your username below. Whoever put your first comment here, you will get this big shock honey glaze. Uh, Shock honey glaze frozen moon melon 25.59 kilogram. So this guy again is begging for a uh pet. So last time I got a Barbie. My ano, I mean my bro, shut up. Okay, a little brother said a Filipino word, but I don't know. But exactly, I'm in the Philippines. That's my secret, but I'm gonna tell it to you guys. I'm Philippines. I'm a Filipino. I just wanna talk like a America or English. So I've been working for 2 years in Roblox and all. I only have a uh 12 or 13 subscribers, and my little brother had 14, and he suddenly get banned when he got 14 subscribers, but I don't know how. But next time, let's get a big fruit. Comment down below who's your favorite YouTuber. Respect to me because I'm respecting for people. Sorry that I didn't give that bacon a pet because that's my only pet, capybara. I just got that in the paradise egg. Now he wants to get it. Just stop digging. If I have a more capybara. I'll give it to you, one of you guys. So, only pick one, only one. Moon melon or capybara. It's one capybara for one raccoon. Because I love raccoon, but I didn't get only one. So, let's get back here. Let's walk. So, if you see here, I have did you remember Sam? It's not Sam anymore. No matter. He's not any Sam anymore. Any Sam. So let's get a recall and then let's buy something here. Excuse me. Okay, basic sprinkler. That's pretty little good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who get the hell? Yo. If I have a sunflower, I'll give it to you. And also, don't forget to comment your pick only three, only one. Uh, mega mango, mega moon melon, or mega dragon fruit. I dragon pepper. If you don't, if you are, you think I'm joking? I have a dragon pepper. Look, see, told you. And I have sugar apple. When I was giving a fruit to someone, I giving a fruit to a bacon, and he give me a bro, stop again. A sugar apple. So, so let's go. Oh no! Oh no! I wish Stubby! Did you remember the big queen? I can use him. But